Hey everybody, it's Grips here and thank you for joining me as you do. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. It's a fantastic online video editing tool called Flexclip. So what is Flexclip? Well, Flexclip is an online video editing platform that offers actually a friendly user interface with a wide range of features. Now, one of the cool things I found about Flexclip was the amount of templates that you can work with. Templates. Here, let's have a peruse through some of the categories. Look at that. You just about got everything covered that you're ever going to need. Social media, obviously, if you're constantly uploading to Instagram or TikTok, they have all the templates here. You could actually do a search on something very specific that you're looking for, a travel vlog, or you're making something like computer software, hardware, anything in that nature. You can just simply click on one of these and then just start editing. Now, what the cool part about this is they constantly keep adding more and more of these little templates to it. Let's have a look at something very simple. Let's say I want to create an Instagram reel. All I have to do is look for something that, let's do YouTube, because obviously I must have picked up Instagram reels before. Okay, here we go. So I've got a bunch of templates that I can use. Now, if I click on one of these, let's do that. It'll give me a preview. Let me just turn that down because it's pretty loud. Let's do that now. Yep. So it'll give you a preview of what it looks like. And if this is something you want to do, that's fine. Now, you have also the option whether you want to upload this straight to a computer, you want to do it as an Instagram story, or if you want to just make it as an Instagram reel or on TikTok. They have the options here for you. Simply just click on whatever you want. Let's say we want to do 16 by 9, and then we hit the customize button. And we go straight into the editing part of the software. And if you've been using non-linear editing to softwares, something like Corel Video, this will be easy peasy for you to understand. Look at that. We're straight into that. Now you can upload your own files, but let's work with something very simple within it. What we do is we just go along the timeline. We want to change something, we just hover on it. Now, if you ever used Canva, this will make it so much easier for you to understand. But if you haven't, trust me, it is simply easy to use. You can click on this. If you double click on it, brings you into the text window. Over here, you can just simply change the wording to whatever you want. You can change the font, the style, anything you want. It's at your fingertips. Over here, it's very standard where you can change the size. You can also change the colors, and you can also change the font style. Everything's at your fingertips just by simply clicking on it. We can keep moving. Over here, you'll see that it pops up the text, basically the text track. And then as you move it along, it disappears. So it's always there. If you click on it again, if you see something like this, you can click on it and then voila, it pops up here. And then you can click on that and look at this. It expands even further. And this is pretty neat. It's almost endless to the amount of tracks that's available. It's just not visible, but as soon as you start clicking on it, it just pops up everywhere, and you can really customize everything that you see in this little template. Isn't that fantastic? Now I'm going to show you probably the best part of this new software, and that's text to speech. And I'm having so much fun with this, it's ridiculous. I'm like a little girl giggling to myself. Okay, so what we do, we go to the media tab, and you'll see this option here called text to speech. Now what it does, it will basically talk whatever you write. So if you want to do a voiceover, but you're not very confident in talking, let the software do it for you. You have over 140 languages, and that means if you can type in that language, it will say it in that language. But I found out something else which is way more fun to do. But let's first have a little demonstration. So here I got hi and welcome to my channel. I spoke English from the United Kingdom. I made the speed 0.09 and 0.9 and the pitch 0.9, and I'll explain to you in a minute what this does, but let's have a preview.
Hi and welcome to my channel.
So realistically what I can do, I can change the speed in which that delivers or the pitch. So if I wanted to go slightly faster, naturally I just increase the speed. If I want more of a pitch to it, again, I can change that as well. Let's have a listen.
Hi and welcome to my channel.
So there you go. Now, this is the part which I thought was absolutely fantastic. Now imagine if I'm in Thailand and I'm trying to speak as if I'm in Thai but speaking English. So I want to speak Tinglish. So let's do that. Let's give this an accent of a Thai person speaking English.
Hi and welcome to my channel.
Like I said, let's slow that bit down because Thai people don't actually speak very fast. They speak very slow and confident. Let's have another preview. Actually, we'll also drop that pitch a bit to the standard pitch. Let's have a listen.
Hi and welcome to my channel.
Now, as somebody living in Thailand, believe it or not, this is actually how some of these, the Tinglish sounds, and this is quite funny, I thought. Now, what I can do, I can also actually take the Thai language and have it speak Thai. So let's have a listen to this. Now, you may probably don't understand what it's going to say, but realistically, it's going to say something, hello, how are you, but in Thai.
สวัสดีสบายดีไหม
Now, as a guy that's been living in Thailand and I can speak Thai, that's pretty good. That's actually quite straight on point. Basically says, how are you in Thai? And this is the thing that I think that's so different from everything else I've seen. I've seen other video editors online, but they just haven't been able to nail down the very fact that you can choose 140 languages and even use that languages to speak English with their accent. And that to me is absolutely mind-blowing. So let's take a look at some of the other features. Well, it can record your screen. Let's click on that. It basically does your screen plus your webcam, your screen only, or your webcam only. And that's pretty neat. All comes into one little bundle. From your phone, so what does that mean? Let's have a look. From your phone, a QR code will come up. Using your camera from your telephone, simply just point at it. A website will pop up. Click on that. And now what you can do, whether you want to take a video or a picture, let's take a picture of my screen here. Select media. I'm going to select camera on my telephone. And I'm going to take a quick picture and watch what's going to happen. It's going to upload that picture I just took straight into Flexclip. And there you go. It's uploading as we speak. And there you have it, a picture of my screen. And I can probably take a picture of anything and upload it to the Flexclip relatively fast. And I think that's pretty neat if you're doing some very unique project. What else do they offer? Well, 100 gigabytes. That's right, 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. And that's a phenomenal amount of storage that you don't need to put on your system. You can leave it on their cloud storage. Now, why would they offer you this? Very simple. Create a team. In other words, you can invite other people to help with your project, and there's no need to transfer files up back and forth. You can all log online or get access to the 100 gigabytes of storage to work on your project. Stock video, they give you lots and lots of stock videos, and I believe this comes from the Storyblock. Now, Storyblock is an online platform that provides royalty-free stock media for the content, and this is what a lot of content creators are using these days. And just have a quick look. Let's have a look at food. You go into the category food and let's have a look. Look at all these videos that can help you create beautiful content. Isn't that amazing? Stock videos right at your fingertips. And let's see what the future holds. Coming soon. So basically what they're going to give you is an AI image generator. So this is basically where you're turning simple words into stunning images. You can also have a script generator, so it easily creates a script and it gives you ideas. Now, I've been using ChatGPT for this, and now Flexclip comes with it all bundled up in one little package. Now, obviously here you also got the AI text to video, and now this is something that Runway recently has released, and again, these guys are right on top of it, and I'm very excited to have all these at my fingertips, and I think you will too. And there you have it, Flexclip Online. Now, I'm not sponsored by these guys. There's no vested interest other than the fact that I genuinely believe this is a great little software. The stock videos, the cloud storage, the collab, and also integrating the AI technology. Now, if you are interested in it, leave a comment down below, and I will actually start making tutorials just to show you how easy it is to use. And as always, thanks for watching.